Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and very well at home and safe at home. And do study, okay? And whatever videos I am sending, I hope you are learning it, studying it, okay? So this is your maths class. Once again, you all are welcome to your maths class. And in maths, we have already learned counting and numbers from 1 to 50. I hope you all are learning it, practicing it at home, and you should remember all the numbers from 1 to 50, okay, so that when you do the exercises you don't have any problem. If you miss out one number, then whole your number series will be wrong, okay. So always remember which number comes after which. First of all, if you remember from 1 to 10, like we start from which number? As I have already told, we start with number 10. Okay, this is tens column, this is ones column, okay. So always remember that when we start writing the numbers, then we start with number 1, okay. So always remember that. So you start with number 1, then after number 1, which number comes? 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and till 9. You can see I have written in ones column. This is ones column, this is tens column. Tens column is empty over here. I have not written any number because this is single digit number, okay. From 1 to 9 it is single digit number. So I have written in ones column, but after 9 the number which comes is 10. It is 2 digit number. So automatically 1 will come under T, tens column, because this is 10. So 1 will come under tens column and 0 will come under ones column, okay. Then again after that you have to learn this, okay. You have to learn the counting, you have to learn the numbers. If you don't learn the numbers, you will not be able to do this exercise, okay. So it is very necessary for all of you to learn the numbers, okay. Unless and until you learn the numbers from 1 to 50, you will not be able to do any of the exercises, okay. So you should remember that we start with number 1, then after 1 comes 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and after 9 this is there are 2 digits, so 1 will automatically come under T, tens column, and 0 under ones column, right. Then after 10, this 1 will be as it is, and this 1 will come over here under tens column. So now it has become 1, 1, 11, then this is 12, 1, 2, 12, then this is 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19. After 19, this one, after 1 comes 2, so this 1 will become 2 over here and 0 will be as it is. Can you see? From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 and then 0. This is same like this. Only this number has changed. Now here it was 1, now it has become, after 1 it comes 2. So this will become 2. Then again when you start writing from after 20, so you have to follow the same pattern, okay. Always remember that you have to follow the same pattern like this, okay. So now after 20, after 20, this 2 will come over here under T like this, okay, and this will be the same 1, okay. Everywhere you can see in ones column there is 1 over here, so this will be, now it has become 21. Now 2 of 20, 2 of this 20 has come over here, so you will always write here 20. This is 20 and 2 over here. Okay. Then 23 over here. Okay. Now 20, 2 of 20 you will write under T. So this is 20. When ma'am will say 20, write 24. So 20 you will write over here and 4 you will write in ones column. Okay. Then again if I say 25, then what you will do, you will write 2 here, 20, 20 over here and 5. You have to listen very carefully what ma'am is saying. So if I say 25, that means 20 will come under T, 20 and 5 will come over here under ones. Okay. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This will always be under this column, ones column. Okay. So now it has become 25. 25. The number which comes afterwards, which you hear afterwards, will come in ones column. Okay. Now this is 26, 27, 28, 29, and then now this after 2 comes 3. This will become 3 and 0 over here. Right, children? Okay. So now again watch here. After 30, again this is tens column, this is ones column. Okay. So now it is 3, this 3, 30, 3 of 30 will come over here. So this has become 30, this is 30, 1 will come here, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and now after 3 comes 4. So 4 you will write over here and 0 will be as it is under after 9. Okay, below 9. So this is, now this is 40. So 4 of 40 will come here. 40, 1, 40, 2, 40, 3, 40, 4, 40, 5, 46, 47, 40, just a moment. This is 48, 49 and then 5, 0, 50. Okay. Now after 4 comes 5, this will become 5 and this will be as it is, 0 will be as it is. So you have to learn this series. You have to learn which number comes after which. If you don't learn, you will not be able to do this, okay, exercise. So you have to learn this numbers from 1 to 50. If I give from anywhere in the middle, if I give from 21, so you have to complete it, okay, 21, then what comes after 21, 22, So you have to write, you will have to write 22, then 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then after 30 comes 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. After 40 comes 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. These all numbers you have to learn. If you will not learn, you will not be able to do any of the exercises. So today I will be teaching, I will be giving you number series from anywhere, and then you have to complete it. Okay, there will be some of the numbers will be missing, so you have to fill the missing numbers. So if you know the numbers that after 11 which number comes, then only you will be able to do this work. Okay, so we are going to do fill in the blanks right now. Okay, so quickly take out your copy. I will rub this all. In the meantime, you take out your copy. Okay. So children, I hope you all are ready with the copy. Okay, so first of all we write the date. Today is 16.9.20. Okay, okay, and the exercise which we are going to do is F-I-L-L, fill, I-N-N, the BLANKS. Okay, so we are going to do fill in the blanks. Now I will give you series of numbers, and there some of the numbers will be missing. There I have not written some of the number, and in that blank space you have to write the number, and this you can do only when you remember the numbers. Okay, when you have learned the number. So very first number which I am going to write is I will write over here 3, 7, and each number will be, you are going to write in one column. Okay, one square. Okay, 3, 7, this is 37. Then you leave one square, and then I put a dash over here. I'll put a dash over here, and then again I'll leave one square, and then I'll write here 33, 9. This is 39. Then again leave one square and then a blank. Okay, now I have left here blank so that you have to write which number comes after 37. This is 37. You have to write here which number comes after 37. Then 39 comes, and then after 39 which number comes. Okay, that you have to do. Okay children, so you have to fill in this blank. So okay, next one is dash. Okay, then 4, 3, dash. Okay, so again you have to fill in the blanks. 4, 5, dash, and 4, 7, dash. So now you have to write the missing numbers. So you have to fill in the blanks. You have to write here numbers which are not there. Okay, so now this is 37. Okay, 37. After 37 what comes? After 37 comes 30, and after 7 comes 8. Yes, if you remember that, then only you will be able to write. This is 38, 37, 38. Then this is 39, 3, 9, 39. 39, after 39 comes, after 3 comes 4, and after 9 comes 0. So now it is 40, 40. This is 40, 40. Then this is 41, 41. Now after 41 comes 40. After 41 comes 42. After 1, always remember 2 comes. Okay, okay, this is 42. Then this is 43, 43. After 42 comes 43. Then after 43 comes which number? 40. After 3 comes 4. So this 40 will be same. Now it has become 4, 44. After 3 comes 4. Okay. Then this is 4, 5, 45. Okay. Then after 45 comes 46. Yes. Okay. This is 4, 6, 46 because after 5 comes 6. So you will write here 6 and 4 will be same as it is. This is 40. Now this is 47. Okay. After 46 comes 47. So after 47 what comes? 40. After 7 comes 8. Yes. So you will write here 8. 48. Right children? So this is the way you have to do this work, this fill in the blanks, and this you can only do if you remember the numbers. That after 37, 38 comes, then comes 39, then comes 40, then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. This, if you remember the numbers, then only you will be able to do this exercise. Do this exercise very neatly in your Maths 1 copy. God bless you children.